Imagine finding a rough, uncut stone, dusty, uneven, and completely ordinary at first glance. But what if this rough stone is actually a real diamond? In this video, I'll show you simple ways to test a rough diamond at home using easy methods. Watch closely because one small detail can make all the difference. First, look at the shape. Real rough diamonds usually don't look smooth or perfectly rounded. They often have sharp edges, irregular shapes, and a slightly greasy or waxy surface. If your stone looks too smooth like glass or too perfect, it's probably not a diamond. Now try the transparency test. Place the stone over a piece of paper with text. A real rough diamond does not let you clearly see through it. If you can read the letters through the stone, then it's most likely quartz or glass, not a diamond. Next, the sparkle test. Unlike cut diamonds, rough diamonds don't shine brightly. They have a subtle, almost oily glow instead of strong sparkle. If your stone shines like a crystal or reflects rainbow colors strongly, it's probably not a raw diamond. Now the water test. Drop the stone into a glass of water. A real diamond is very dense, so it will sink immediately to the bottom. If it floats or falls slowly, it's not a diamond. Next, the scratch resistance test. Diamonds are extremely hard. Try scratching a piece of glass with the stone. If it leaves a scratch easily and the stone remains unchanged, this is a strong indicator. But remember, some other minerals can also scratch glass, so this test alone is not enough. Now, observe the edges closely. Use a magnifying glass or your phone camera zoom. Real rough diamonds often have sharp, defined edges and natural crystal patterns. Fake stones usually have rounded edges or bubbles inside. Finally, the heat test. Carefully heat the stone for a few seconds and then place it in cold water. A real diamond can handle sudden temperature changes without cracking. Fake stones may break or show damage. Be careful when doing this test. And here's the truth. No home method is completely reliable. Rough diamonds can be tricky, and some fake stones can pass a few of these tests. The only way to be absolutely sure is to visit a professional jeweler. But with these simple steps, you can quickly tell if your rough stone might be something truly valuable or just another rock. So next time you see a rough stone on the ground, take a closer look. You might be holding a diamond without even knowing it.